Welcome back!
I'm back!
So today we're at Amelia's house. She just moved up here, so it's a little bare. So we're going to decorate it with Christmas decorations.
Yes. And who have we got here today, Evie?
Who's here?
Who's helping us?
Baby.
Evie and?
Who else?
Baby.
And? Yeah?
Who else?
Baby.
Dee.
Mommy.
And Mummy.
All
So
of us.
we're all helping Amelia today to decorate her Christmas decorations.
Yay.
And this little helper is going to help as well.
Now I'm going to sit on the couch and direct people.
Oh. Oh. Alright, let's get started.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Okay, so these are all our Christmas decorations. There's a lot. We've got, I think, a green, red, and what theme?
The theme is like a cozy, rustic farmhouse type theme. I just want it to be cozy with hints of like deep reds and stuff.
Yeah, so that's all we have here. You can kind of see that happening with the baskets and the red and the different elements. So we've got this spot to decorate here. We've got the couch, which is new, Amelia's new couch. And we're gonna put shelves up here and then hang garland, which is gonna be a long one. And then we've got this little desk that we need to decorate.
And put the Christmas tree possibly over there.
In that corner.
And then maybe the stockings over there.
Yeah.
Let's put up the Christmas tree first. This is the Christmas tree.
Okay,
Right.
let's get started. Amelia and I have put the lights on the Christmas tree. We use the...
Yeah.
Do you like the Christmas tree? Yeah? You think it's pretty? Yeah.
No, Baby, help that.
Dee Dee help? Can you show me? Dee Dee and Evie did some organising of the Christmas ornaments. Can you show me? You give the camera a tour?
You
Come
gotta
on.
show everyone
Come
what
on.
you
Come on, take.
You hold it, careful. Wow.
We can take.
Do you want me to hold it back so they can see? Dee Dee and you help? Oh, you did that? Can I see? You show? Wow, very good. And you got everything in categories. We've got ornaments. We've got little random decor pieces. We've got Christmas tree stuff. Garlands. Pretty, and all the pillows. All right, let's get ready to do some more decorating. We've got the lights on the tree.
so pretty already.
Looks very nice. We've used the wire just because it's kind of a bit more subtle and it just gives it a little bit of glow.
It's only the only lights I had a lot of.
Yeah. Yeah, so it works. Okay, Evie, we can put the ornaments on now. Alright, you and I can work out what ornaments you want on the tree, what theme, and what garland or
Beaded garland.
beaded garland.
Let's just do the ornaments so we can figure out the garland
Okay.
together with that. This one goes on the... So I got some fancy ones that I actually got on Marketplace like 2 years ago, and they're like glass
Ooh,
ones. They're so
pretty.
I love them. And
They're
I got
pretty.
like 4 boxes of different shapes and colours.
Oh, cool. And they're the ones we got from the op shop.
Yeah. So,
What garland are we going to put on? The beaded one?
well, yeah. That's the only one I have.
Oh. There we go. That's really pretty. I love that. What is it? Who are you? You're Evie. I'm doing the garland and we're gonna try and add a bit of orange and a bit of red to the garland, and the garland is going up there. So we're thinking we're not going to use this berry garland as it's so short, so we're thinking maybe we cut it and put it within the green garland and then add the oranges in. But this is also quite short and it's not going to fit over the 2 garlands. It's going to fit over those doors because it's massive. So we're going to do some more dried oranges and then add that later, and then maybe like sweep the beaded garland orange in the center. So hopefully that will work. So I'll try that. So instead of actually like cutting the berry garland, you can easily just pull out of this here, and it's literally just taped on and you just pull it. I pulled them all off, and then here is how much you get from it, which is pretty cool. And then I'm going to put that in the garland. So I've done bits of the garland, I'll show you. I've added in some berries and some pine cones. Melanie wants a really organic look. I've also added a little bit of rosemary, but we also thought maybe they might wilt quite quickly if we add them in. So I'm gonna try see what this looks like. Okay, so I'm thinking of putting the garland like this and like, I don't know if you can see that?
Not really.
Like draping it.
Yeah, maybe have less garland in your left hand so you can see more. It's a bit too long.
Does that look okay?
Oh, that looks so pretty.
Okay, so I'm gonna loop it. Loop it so it's like slightly dangling down.
Yeah, I like that. Slightly on the green, but not too much.
And so you can kind of see the see-through of the orange. Is that good?
Through the sun. It looks like stained glass.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it so much.
Okay, so this is like a very farmhouse bell.
That looks perfect. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love this so much.
It's classic. You're pregnant, bossing everyone around.
Get that? I'll move that. I have a right to do that.
You do. Maybe I should get pregnant around Christmas time one time and then just boss everyone around.
That would be a nightmare.
Yeah, I would be like, what are you doing? That is not right.
And you're just like,
that is, yeah, I'd be like, let me do it. That's not my vision board.
Alright, I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna
Don't look, hang on. Okay, Amelia's seeing the garland for the first time. Well, with lights on it and stuff.
And goes.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my.
How good. How
That
good.
looks amazing.
I know.
Oh, I love it so much.
The bows?
It's like my vision come to life.
Really?
Completely.
Really?
Completely. It's like I've told you what I like and what I want up there, and you've made it happen.
Yes. That's my job.
I love it.
Yes. How good are the lights?
Love
the lights like bring
make
it.
so
yeah.
pretty.
The lights like.
It looks like we've gone to Myers and we've stolen it from
I
the
know.
window.
I know. Yay.
Nice job, team.
Thanks.
I love it.
We didn't have enough of these beads, so Mum thread some more, and then we took off the other one, and then we're putting it over top. Usually you do this first.
Yeah.
And don't put the ornaments like
On after the
on
garland.
after. No, you put it on after.
I mean, yeah, you
Yeah.
put it on after. Lights, garland or beads, then ornaments. But it's definitely looking better.
Okay, ready? Evie just woke up from her nap and we're going to show her the Christmas decorations.
That's right.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. We haven't finished, but you can come see. That's right.
Okay. Right,
ready?
ready. Open. Can you see?
Look at the lights.
Wow.
Wow.
I like it.
You like it?
And the tree?
In the tree?
Wow.
Wow.
Do you like it? It's an ornament.
Is it Christmassy in here?
Now I've got
Yeah.
another surprise to show you. Can I show you the other one?
Okay.
Yeah, you close your eyes again. Toaster. Okay, ready? Close your eyes. Ready? Open.
Wow.
Wow. is your toy area and you get to have it Christmassy. And guess what? You got your little trees and this is a Santa letterbox. So you can write letters and put them in there and send them to Santa.
Wow.
Where are they? You gotta write them. You gotta draw pictures and do lots and lots of artwork and put it in there.
And then
Oh, you don't put the tree in there, darling. You put it in. Wow.
And see if there's any mail.
Wow! There it is. This is the last section that we have to do for my house. I am absolutely loving it.
It looks so good.
It's so cool.
So we're doing behind us, the couch.
Yeah.
We're gonna put the throws on, the throw blankets, the
Make it
cushions.
look cozy. And then once we've done that, I'm actually gonna put a shelf behind us on the wall, two like wooden shelves, and put some decorations on that, and on the window another garland.
And that will just complete this area very well.
So-
And then we got 2 garlands put up.
So we're going to do that at a later date because it's getting later and I still need to get the men to put up the shelf for me, but we'll show you the end product and I'm so excited.
Okay, let's do the couch. So we finished decorating, and well, Amelia's got a few things, so you'll probably have seen already. Amelia was doing it by herself.
Yeah.
But I hope you enjoyed this video.
I totally am in love with this house.
Yeah.
Like it looks so cozy and I can't wait to see it at nighttime with the
I know.
lights. Anyway, thank you to my little elves today for helping. Mummy dearest, Bridie, and Evie
kind of
sort of
messed up stuff. Yep.
kind of annoying. Anyway, thank you for watching. We hope we inspired you to create something beautiful and cozy in your house for this Christmas, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell button.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, wait.
You
Okay.
want to be in it?
You want to be in it? What do you say?
bye.
Bye.
Bye. Say
Smile.
Evie. I can't see the Evie. No, not you. The ornament.
See, look, your name's on there.
Say Evie.
Yeah, good job. Honey Bridie gave you that one.